Looking to add a touch of greenery and life to your home? Tall indoor plants are the way to go, so let's get started. Bamboos. When selecting bamboos for indoor decoration, it's crucial to choose the right species. Some bamboos can grow extremely tall, reaching up to 25 meters. Bambusa varieties, which are known for their towering growth, are not suitable for indoor spaces. Instead, other species such as black bamboo, golden bamboo, or Japanese timber bamboo are ideal because they have robust roots and feature golden stems, making them a popular choice for indoor decorating. Bird of Paradise. The bird of paradise plant is recognized for its vibrant, multicolored flowers arranged in clusters up to 6 blooms per stem. With large, resilient, grayish-green leaves, this plant thrives in subtropical climates and it is widely favored for floral arrangements indoors. Ficus. There are more than 800 species of ficus plants. They are, in fact, available in both evergreen and deciduous varieties, and some ficus species can grow into substantial trees. They adapt well to the Mediterranean climates and are frequently used in interior decorating due to their longevity and elegant appearance. Nolina. Also known as the elephant's foot, Nolina resembles a palm tree, but it's actually a succulent plant. It's valued for its distinctive shapes and easy care requirements, making it a popular choice for indoor spaces. Although Nolina grows slowly, it can eventually achieve impressive heights with patience and time. Palm trees. Indoor palm trees are a popular choice due to their low maintenance and ability to thrive with minimal watering. They prefer bright locations but can tolerate indirect sunlight well. Common species suitable for indoors include the Ponytail Palm and the Aralia palm. These palms add a tropical touch to indoor spaces while requiring relatively little care. But before we continue, let's put you to a test. Where does the Aralia palm tree originate from? Costa Rica, Madagascar, Jamaica? Think about it carefully because at the end of the video you can check if you were right. Swiss cheese plant. Known for its large, glossy dark green leaves, this plant instantly brings a tropical vibe to any space. The distinctively shaped leaves adorned with holes create a jungle-like atmosphere that can transform a living room into a lush green oasis. Dracena. Dracena plants are prized for their striking foliage, characterized by long, light green leaves that may feature darker edges or be variegated, depending on the species. This genus includes tall plants that thrive in indirect light, though they benefit from a few hours of gentle sunlight daily, preferably during less intense periods. Croton. Croton plants are distinguished by their unique leaf patterns. Common species have dark green leaves with yellow veins. Other Croton varieties showcase leaves in combinations of green, yellow, and red, all with prominently colored veins. These plants can grow up to 3 meters tall and prefer sheltered spots away from drafts with sunlight exposure during mild hours of the day. Desert rose. The desert rose, also called Savvy Star or Kudu, is a tropical shrub native to Africa and the Middle East. It can grow up to 3 meters tall and thrives in sunny conditions with well-draining soil to prevent root issues caused by excess moisture. Fatsia japonica, also known as Japanese Aralia. It requires good lighting, but it is sensitive to direct sunlight. Ideally, Place it in a well-lit room with filtered light, such as Croton, to protect it from intense sun exposure. And going back to the previous question, the correct answer is B. The Aralia palm tree originates from Madagascar. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give us a like and write your questions or suggestions in the comment section below. Until next time.